enwumasua mu na osofo ohwe enwumasua so Dr. Yaw Osei se adekire ene adesua no enye nipa wo mankasa betimi adwen ya wonwene mu no haw bi a wo mu ombegire no so na bomode asisa wo haw na no ekwan Waec Distinction Awards ekoso na Dr. Yaw Osei de nsemi etuja
African Examinations Council Waec adwumako no nhyeya a wode abasobode ama wonum a obo homodem pa wafi etwam no West African Senior Certificate Examination wasi nsohwe no emu oyesa adwumadie de kai mofrɛ modem mo se beyense na ho ama wonum odi akire na hye won kram won so asua de atumi abenya abasobode etisa eno ase na so afo hwe ngumasua ho nsɛm so Dr. Yaw Osei de tudwa se ngumasua begina brane na fa ntuma pefra egina tete pa wode ba wonum a wotumi adwune no adwune yie esi ahawahodo
Prosperity of our nation depends on a quality education system that calls on our youth to become critical thinkers. But how do they become critical thinkers if the examination regime do not require critical thinking for you to get an A1? A nation's fortune depends upon education. Depends upon education with a foundation in critical thinking. Depends upon education in an environment where students can also suggest ideas and profess solutions to challenges without memorizing facts from the teacher. Our examination system.
Penimpaya oda waye Kasee na no wo mayimu Wendi Adelamte eso namsa kwanya no so editu wonum a oka bi yi onhumasua mu ene adesuafo anim se emra ya eda ho edotwe wonum a wode wo ho hye nsohwemu kro no mu no mo hye mu kenapa enya asem ketwa.
I wish to use this opportunity to bring the attention of our stakeholders and candidates to the rules and regulations for dealing with cases of irregularity in council's examinations. Indeed, these rules have been revised. This is a result of the new trends in examination malpractice over the past few years. They include the following. 1. Registration of unqualified candidates. Candidates who don't belong to the school system. 2. Distraction of exhibits by candidates. Some candidates think they will get away when they chew the foreign material. We now have a rule for that.